We'll guide you through how to connect to Wi-Fi on a Hisense TV. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. In order to go and use the internet on a Hisense TV, we'll need to go and connect to the Wi-Fi. You could use Ethernet, but of course Wi-Fi is much more convenient as it's wireless. And then we can start using the different streaming apps amongst other things as well. So to go and get started with this, it's much easier than you probably think. Come onto the remote and you want to go and press the home button and you're going to be brought here. Now tap to the left with the left button. Then you want to come down the list and go and find the option for settings. Have it highlighted and press OK on the remote and settings will open. Now tap down and find the option for connection and press OK and select on there. Then you want to go down and find the option for network. With that selected, press OK. And then you can go and find network configuration and press OK and select that there. At the moment, it's turned off. So we need to go and press the left arrow or right. And it will then go to Ethernet. I'll press it again. And now we've got wireless. Wait for it to go and load. And when it has, we're going to be able to go and tap down. And then what we can do is we're going to be able to go and choose the network that we're going to go and join. So we can start tapping down now. I can go and select GR, that's my network, find yours. If you're not sure the name of it, you can check the manual. Mine's showing a password here as I've gone and entered the password before. So go and enter in your password. You can find that on the back of the router on the manual. And then you can go and press connect and go and wait. That's it, we're now successfully connected. I'll go and press the home and we can now start using the internet.